Let's meet Tiffany, an engineering technology freshman from Yukon, Oklahoma, here to tell us more about the world of engineering technology at SWOSU. Tiffany's enthusiasm for hands-on learning and her Stafford Scholar experience at the Stafford Air and Space Museum make her a standout addition to our conversation. Tiffany, please take it away.
Appreciate it, Alex. Hi, guys. When I first started my college search, I knew that I wanted to go into engineering because I loved getting my hands dirty. I toured a few colleges, but Southwestern Oklahoma State University really stood out. During my tour, they showed me the labs and told me I'd get hands-on experiences in my classes. That's when I fell in love. SWOSU prepares you to be very versatile for any field you wish to pursue. Whether it's electrical, aerospace, software, architectural, biomedical, most of the classes have labs providing hands-on experiences. As a freshman, I've been able to learn how all the machines operate and even build things in the labs. I've fabricated a metal tool tray and shelf, assembled and soldered electrical circuits, and worked with rotational injection and vacuum molding for plastics. I am also a Stafford Scholar, which offers a scholarship and a part-time job at the Stafford Air and Space Museum. Astronaut Thomas Stafford and the museum has strong ties with the university. I spend a lot of time here, and as I look to a career in the aerospace industry, it inspires me. SWOSU's Engineering Technology Department offers organizations such as the Society of Manufacturing Engineers and the Society of Women Engineers, hosting game nights, bowling nights, and so much more. The department also takes students on tours to different facilities for a first-hand look at the different engineering processes. Oh, and I can't forget about the Rover Team. Every year, the department accepts applications for the Rover Dogs, a team that builds a mock rover and competes in NASA's Human Rover Exploration Competition over in Huntsville, Alabama. College can be scary, but it's worth it when you find the people that you instantly click with. What's so special about SWOSU, especially the Engineering Technology Department, is that they set you up for success in whatever career you pursue. That's all from me. Sending it back to you, Alex.
Wow, Tiffany, hearing about all your experiences with different projects truly paints a vivid picture of the hands-on learning available at SWOSU. And being a Stafford Scholar, that's just the icing on the cake. Your experiences are setting a solid foundation for your future in engineering. Keep up the fantastic work.